Getting to more of the meat of the presentation, I'd like to say, and I did already tease some expansion, is our 2026 IFP footprint. So as I called out earlier, no exits, and just some small but noteworthy expansion, I would say. So we're adding 20 counties across 6 states for this upcoming year. And you can see the states in green where we have this expansion. We'll dive a little bit deeper on where this expansion is in the coming slides. Also, wouldn't be doing my job if we didn't hit on dental today. And so this is just a nice overview of where we offer dental plans. So we do have dental plans in 49 of 50 states, all but Massachusetts. And then you can kind of use the color key up here to see which states we offer maybe 3 plans, 4 plans, 7 plans. Here in Florida, we have 6. And just kind of diving a little deeper on what our dental suite looks like, I have all 7 plans up here for you. So the big call outs with our dental, it is guaranteed issue, all ages, adults, children, over 65, under 65. And the big call out with the over 65 right now is, you all know, right? Medicare Advantage dental benefits are not what they used to be. And with our dental, you can stack this with someone on a Medicare Advantage plan, right? Or even traditional Medicare, right? It's stackable. You can have them enrolled in both. And the nice kind of call outs beyond it being all ages with our dental is that we waive waiting periods with proof of prior coverage of at least 12 months and no more than 63 days in between those policies. That prior coverage can be any type of dental, right? It could be a preventative plan. It could be one that maybe only covers up to class 2. Any prior dental coverage that meets those requirements I just mentioned will allow you to waive waiting periods for class 2 and 3 on all of our plans. Now, when it comes to class 4 and 5, you cannot waive waiting periods. And up here, you can see the 2 plans that cover up to class 4 and 5, and they actually overlap with the ones that are our best sellers. So that's Cigna Dental 1500 that covers up to class 4 orthodontia. One of our best, if not the #1 selling plan by far. That orthodontia benefit is available for both adults and children, covers Invisalign, and has a $1,000 lifetime max in addition to the 1,500 calendar year max you see on that plan. Looking at the other best-selling plan and just that middle row, you see dental vision and dental vision hearing plans. There are no waiting periods and no deductibles for vision and hearing. And that class 5 implant coverage is really nice because it has a $2,000 calendar year max that is on top of the $2,500 value for the entire plan. The other thing to note with that implant coverage is it covers the device used for insertion as well as the prosthesis. So that's pretty unique for implant coverage, I would say. And that plan just tends to do really well, especially with that older population, right? Now, rows 1 and 2 utilize the Advantage Network, which is about 88,000 dentists across the country. It's good. It does the job, right? Not every dentist under the sun is in there. But if you can find a dentist that works for your client, these dental plans all do very well. You can see the average national premiums up there. Then we finally have, and this is not in Florida, but you saw the map in a lot of other states, the high annual maximum plan. So a nice high annual max at $3,000, right? Covers up to class 3, nice low average monthly premium, and utilizes the total Cigna network. The total network includes all of the dentists in the Advantage network, but is almost double the size. And this total network for this plan is actually the 2nd largest dental network in the country. It has almost 150,000 dentists nationwide, and just does really well for someone only needing up to class 3 coverage and wanting access to a very wide network. The other nice differentiator here is common class 3s on this plan are covered as a class 2. So think oral surgery, periodontics, endodontics. And the nice piece with that is if you don't have prior coverage, you only have to wait 6 months instead of 12 for those services. Other quick things to call out, on the DVH plans, there are no waiting periods for class 2. That's a nice selling point. And then with all our dental, it's a standalone, right? And now that our supplemental is going off the HealthSpring brand, this is the only Cigna standalone set of dental plans out there. You can write this dental within your Cigna for Brokers agent portal, clicking on quote and enroll for dental. So really want to drive that point home on where you can write these. And that is the only place you can write these right now. So just remember your Cigna for Brokers agent portal, quote and enroll for dental. And why I just spent some time on the dental plans is because we have a dental bonus going on right now that I really want to make sure you all know about this. So this dental bonus started in June, and it is where once you sell 10 plans, on the 11th plan, the dental bonus kicks in, and it is $25 per plan. And that's now till November 30th. But what I've really been saying is if we see a nice uptick in dental sales, we will extend this bonus. So really want to encourage you all to start selling, take advantage of AEP starting soon for that cross sell, and increase your dental books. Moving on to medical plan highlights. We are in 4 state-based exchanges for this upcoming year: Colorado, Georgia, Virginia, and new for 2026, Illinois. We're introducing an HMO in Florida, the partnered care, on top of still having the EPO. So you'll see an HMO product line and an EPO product line. The benefit with this is, one, the HMO, we're going to be able to provide better value-based care and coordination